Today you'll learn how to set up an iPad or your computer so that you can have text read to you.
Okay, to set up the text-to-speech on your iPad, you're going to go to the settings. Click on that, and you're going to go to where it says General. You're going to slide down to where it says Accessibility. Once you reach the Accessibility menu, you're going to go to where it says Speech. From here, you're going to turn on Speech Selection right at the top. You're going to make sure that it's not too fast, so you're going to be closer to the turtle than you are to the rabbit. Finally, you're going to turn on Highlight Content. That way it will show you what you're reading.
Okay, now we're going to learn how to put on an extension into Google Chrome that's called iSpeech. So first of all, you have to be into the Chrome web browser. And over here you can go to the Apps button, click on that, go to your web store, or you can just type in Google Web Store and go to that. You want to get the extension called iSpeech. And down here, it's Speak It. You're going to click on that, and it will add on this little icon up here. I already have it, so I can't show you actually how to put that on, but you'll see that extension on there. And then the way you're going to use it is you're going to go to, I've set up a document for you, and right here I said test your text reader, so you'll open that up and you'll highlight this because you want to hear what it says, and then when you click on this,
use your text reader to read this. You are awesome.
You'll hear whatever highlighted text you highlighted. So that's pretty much how you do it, and hopefully you'll enjoy using this iSpeech on any website. It doesn't work for documents, but any web page you can use it on. So check it out.